Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. I'm sorry if it is looking a little crooked or anything. This was the best attempt I can do to fit in everything, and this is gonna be a pack with me video. So I'm going back to my parents' house because Bangalore में lockdown हो गया है and there's no point living here anymore. Anymore as in जब तक मेरा college नहीं खुलता तब तक. So a little backstory, my mom does not know that I'm going back, so it's gonna be a surprise for her and I'm super excited. I'm gonna vlog that obviously, so that's gonna come on next Monday or Friday or whatever. I'm gonna put it over here when it will be coming. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell notification. Click on the bell notification to get notified. And now let's begin. This is the bag that I'm taking. It's quite big, but last time I did not take much things with me and I was regretting till the last day. So इस time मैं अच्छे खासे कपड़े लेके जाऊँगी. So because you know I have to shoot videos, right? So for that I'm gonna take good amount of clothes, as you can see. So what I like to do is I like to pile things different, like separately. Like this has all my kurtis. This has all my loungewear and bottom wear. This has all my shirts and everything. This has all my tops. So I'm gonna place everything accordingly in the trolley so that when I'm back home and when I'm keeping it in my cupboard, I won't have problem and I won't have to waste any more time and energy. टाइम तो खैर बहुत रहेगा, एनर्जी वेस्ट नहीं करना मुझे, इसलिए मैंने सबको ऐसे पाइल कर लिया है एंड सबको ऐसे ही मैं बैग में डालूंगी और ऐसे ही निकाल के वहाँ पे डाल दूँगी. यू गेट द पॉइंट राइट? So this pile has all of my tops, so I'm gonna put it like so. Okay, so I'm done with keeping the tops. Now I'm gonna move on to my kurtis, and kurti को भी मैं ऐसे ही उठा के डालूंगी so that मेरे को आसानी हो कबर्ड में अच्छे से रखने के लिए घर पे. Okay? Okay, so kurti and top is done and still there is like half of the spaces left already. So what I like to do is for keeping my lingerie, I like to keep them separately, not with other clothes. And luckily this bag has this separate section. So I'm going to keep my lingerie in here. Otherwise I would have packed them in a Ziploc or a different, pouch or something. But luckily this has this separate pouch, so I'm going to keep it in here. Okay, so I'm done with keeping with, this is how possibly I can come and talk to you guys. So I'm done with keeping with my lingerie, my tops, my kurtis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to my loungewear and ghar ka kapda basically. Okay, so now this is halfway done, this is halfway full. So now I'm going to keep my ring light because उसको टूटने का डर है, इसलिए इसको मैं कपड़ों के बीच में रखूँगी. So I'm keeping it here. And now I'm gonna fill this up with my bottom wear. Now there is very much space left over here, so I'm gonna keep my dresses. This jeans I'm gonna be wearing and going tomorrow, so I'm gonna not keep it inside and I'm gonna keep it aside so that I can wear it tomorrow. You know what I mean, right? So now I'm gonna keep all my dresses. Okay, so there is some space left over here, so I'm thinking I'll keep my toiletries with me here, like my razor, my shampoo. Shampoo and conditioner I'm thinking I'll not take because वहाँ पे मेरी मम्मी obviously will have. But my toothbrush and my face serum, cream and makeup maybe I'll keep over here because यहाँ काफ़ी जगह है. And carry on luggage में I do not want to carry anything except of my laptop and all of that. Because I know that I'm going back and I will shop for sure. And already मेरे बैग में इतना सारा सामान हो गया है. So I need something जिसमें थोड़ा जगह हो. So I'm thinking उसमें I will not carry anything. So I'll carry everything in this only. I don't think ये 15 किलो से ज़्यादा होगा. एक तो ये भी ड्रामा रहता है इनका कि 15 किलो से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो let's see. I don't think ये 15 किलो से ज़्यादा होगा. So yeah. Instead of toiletries, I'm gonna pack my heels. I have 3 pairs of black heels, but I'm taking only one. And this is the सबसे छोटा heel that I have. So I'm taking only one, and I'm gonna be putting it in this Ziploc so that I can keep it with my clothes as well. So there's still some space left which I'll leave for keeping my tripod because I'm shooting on that right now, but once I'm done shooting I will obviously take it with me because I have to shoot there as well. So this is with the trolley. Now I'll move on and pack my carry-on luggage. So this is my bathrobe. I'm gonna lay it on top of everything so that everything is nice and intact. Okay, so this is the carry-on that I'm gonna take with me, and this all mess is gonna come in here. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna keep my laptop और उसका charger इसमें. That's inside. Now I'm gonna take this Ziploc and I'm gonna add all of my makeup palettes in here. I have 2 makeup palettes and I'm gonna keep all of them in here. Now that's in. I'm gonna add my lashes, fake eyelashes, also my toner because it has a chance of spilling and I do not want my everything inside to be spoiled. I'm gonna keep some of my earrings. These are the earrings that I got from a collaboration that I did with Kanak. I'll leave their Instagram story in the description box below just in case you guys are curious. So I'm going to take these, and I'm thinking I'll take only 3, not many. I'll take these 3 and rest I'm going to keep over here. I'm going to keep this in this Ziploc as well. This pack of rubber bands that I bought for my sister from DMart for 29 rupees. I'm going to keep this also in here. So first Ziploc bag is done to go inside. This is a pouch in which I'm going to keep all of my makeup brushes. So I'm going to keep it over here, and a spare lotion I'm going to keep in here. And this will also go inside. Now this is my makeup kit that has all of my foundation and compact and everything. So this is also going to go inside. Okay, so now इसमें इतना जगह बाकी है, इसमें I'm going to keep a tiffin box. Although अभी ये खाली है, but just for the sake of showing, I'm showing you guys. I'm going to keep a tiffin box over here. I'm going to make something and carry with me because airport पे कितना सस्ता सामान मिलता है, you guys also know. So this part is done. Now here I'm going to take all of my notebooks. So these are my college notebooks which I'm carrying. So ये तो रखना ही है. Plus this is the notebook which I keep for writing all of my ideas and my schedule and everything regarding YouTube. So this is what I'm going to take with me. Also I'm going to take this sticky notes ka pack. I'm also going to be keeping my dream catcher that I bought here for my YouTube videos. So I'm keeping that inside. Pencil pouch I'm also going to keep inside. And also my everyday face cream. A sanitizer, obviously sanitizer is important. I'm going to keep a lipstick. I'm going to keep my wallet जिसमें my Aadhaar card is there, so it will be helpful for my entry. I'm keeping my college ID card just in case. And one mask I'll be wearing tomorrow, and these 3 masks I'm carrying with me. I'm going to be taking with me, so I'm going to keep them here only. Also I will keep a water bottle जो कि अभी मैं नहीं रख रही हूँ क्योंकि वो भी भरा हुआ नहीं है, but I will keep a 1 liter water bottle. Alright you all, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already, and I'm gonna see you pretty